Actually, I'm 𝐬𝐤𝐧𝐞. So today I have attended this session. It is really useful, in fact, because in most of the places where I can develop my skills, even in the reading session, I really need the thing to improve myself to get a mark, in fact. And I come to the writing session, it is easy for me because they have given some tricks to identify the things which is really important to that. So how to pick the important things and what to omit. So it is in a way they have explored in a different kind of things. It's
In a much understandable manner,
yeah,
right?
it is easy to understand and really helpful, in fact.
Alright. So which module would you think that you gain the most amount of information?
Really, I'm worried about before this session. So I was lacking reading as well, writing sometimes, because sometimes I pick in wrong content which is not relevant to this writing session. So now
You have the confidence.
Yes, now I developed
understand.
confidence to understand most of the things which is very relevant to that topics.
Alright. Thank you.